Okay, so today I thought I'd do something a little different with y'all. As you can see, I have my glasses sitting here, and they're just a really cool pair of glasses, I think. But sometimes I like to give them a little pizzazz. And these are just a teal frame, that's all there are. But I have taken some of my bling bling stickers and added those. And then I thought I'd give them a tiny bit of color with some of these foil stickers because they have some pretty cool colors. And I chose this one with the pink. I like that color of pink, and I wanted to add some. I think it goes good with the teal. So here's my little stamp, and cutting out where the pink is, like so. A little sliver, and then taking the silver off, because I really don't want it. Like so, and adding it to the edges. See, I have it on this side, and I think it looks pretty good. Now I put some here, and I'm finishing off. Do I want it symmetrical? Or a little bit unsymmetrical? I don't know. I'm gonna try asymmetrical. Is that what they call it when you're not symmetrical? I don't know. Y'all know the word probably. Anyway, I'm gonna try it like that. I think I may cut this piece to make it more rounded. You really gotta smash it so it curves well. And then I'm going to add that on top. Now I may not like this once I get it done, but you get the idea. You could play around with it for a while and get it just the way you like it. Now I am going to test it. Oh, my glasses, they need to be cleaned. Okay. Oopsie. Well, here they are. What do y'all think? Oops. Got a little stuck there. Okay. I think they turned out beautiful. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell me what your opinion is. I don't care. Good, bad. Oh! This down here is one of my new additions to the shop. It is, this is the back, but it goes like that, I guess. It is a cover, a doily cover. So if you're interested, get by the shop. And then that's for a different one, a brown background one. Oh no, actually it's the same one. Same one. Okay. Sorry, getting confused. That's the spines. Anyway, I plan on working with all of this soon, but there's still more parts that I'm making to different things. I'm gonna make it a big, I think I'm gonna make a big journal with everything that I've been doing lately in it, and just have like a sampler journal, and use that for a while at church and take my notes. That's what I usually do with them. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.